Hi guys! So today is that magpa-makeup ako for the grad ball. Grad ball na namin guys, and this is my first prom ever. Kasi wala kaming prom ng junior high, so I'm kinda nervous. And my bare face, like, and I have a pimple right here where an important event of my life is coming. So then I joined the cotillion dance and I'm getting nervous guys. Kasi like super slippery ng floor. Wala sila basta wala sila nag-map. And then, super dusty ng floor.
Ay, kasama ko sa ko.
So, hindi pa ako nagbihis. Hindi pa kami nagbihis together. And then, I'm eating my lunch, chicken curry. Kasi 6 p.m. pa yung dinner namin mamaya sa grad ball. So, dito ko na din siguro iwan yung gamit ko. But I'm dead ba?
Kayo ang magana? Kailan?
Tagal na.
Match talaga sa iyo.
Sabi sa'yo, match sa'yo eh. Gaga ka talaga.
Wala ko kayo talaga te.
Ang ina.
Parang bridesmaid na ako eh.
Gaga, okay lang yan.
Kayo ka! Outfit check!
Hindi ba parang bridesmaid na ako eh?
Hoy, pero ang game niya bakla. Crazy Rich Asian yan mo. Hoy, pero... Okay, sabi sa'yo, bagay yan. Bagay yan. Alam mo yan.
Parang kayo talaga crush. Ni Roxanne. The features. Sige,
Ay, picture!
go.
Picture na meron mo.
Si Jaris. Wala pa siya.
Leaders are rarely born ready. They are shaped, refined, and strengthened through responsibility.
Alam mo ba, girl, pag nawala ka dito, promise na
Time has truly shaped everything individuals ready to face the world of this world.
Each rainbow movement we witness tonight reflects years
Buko tart. Ano?
Friendship
Tara?
isn't always about spending in front of people. Sometimes it's about
Tania Joshua Sabado, Civil Engineer Muhammad Release M. Salindab, Civil Engineer Justin B. Moore,
Hi guys! So today, tapos na yung runway kanina. Tapos na kami magkain ng sa Pupupay. And then ngayon, nag-reading of class prophecy na siya yung first na architecture. Siya talaga yung announce talaga, be. Tapos ako naman sa cardiologist. What the fuck? Ang dami nila, be. Meron kasing photo booth ngayon, be. Ay, saan na yung photo booth? Ayun, wait. Ayun yung photo booth, guys. So, lahat sila nagpila talaga for the photo booth. Tapos, meron din dito. Sana yun? Ayan. That's all. Rating sa mga pagkain sa Grad Mall. Beef steak. Ang tawag dito? Ha? Chop suey. Kinda excited. Hello! I'm sitting here, crying in my prom dress. I'd be the prom queen if crying was a contest. Makeup is running now, feelings are all around. How did I get here? I need to know. Okay.
Alam mo ba girl, pagka wala ka dito promise ako concern. Di ka nagre-reply, di mo pa ako ma-confirm. Ayaw mo ba sa'kin porque wala akong skirt? O ayaw mo sa'kin kasi ikaw